Hi everyone, I'm here at the Olmsted Community Center. We're going to be talking to Donna Winter, and I'll let her tell you a little bit more about the Community Center and what it does for our area, but you've got to come inside and check it out. Let's go.
Hi, welcome to the Olmsted Community Center. My name is Donna Winter. I'm the Executive Director here, and I'm very excited to tell you we've kicked off our 20th year of helping this community. January 2021 started our 20 year, and we'll be celebrating all year. One program that we have initiated is called the 20 for 20. We're asking for your support for all the programs we've offered over the 20 years. All we're asking is that you donate $20 to the center and also leave us a little note about what you've appreciated about the things we've offered here. Maybe it's the Saturday activity nights that you got a date night away from your kids. Maybe it's the basketball leagues that got them out of the house and kept them busy. Maybe it's getting a program for your senior adults who can come here and exercise and have some fellowship. Whatever it is that we've done, that we've been able to help you over the years, please let us know. We appreciate hearing your thoughts. And again, it's called 20 for 20, and it's on our website, it's on our Facebook page. We'd appreciate your support, and we'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much.
Hi, my name is Jennifer Koontz. I am the Program Director here at the Olmsted Community Center. We opened our doors on January 21st, 2001, and here we are 20 years later, still serving our community. We have a few programs running right now, just basketball, slowly but surely, with COVID going on. We are safely, have 13 teams running with a rec travel league with about 9 other cities in our area. In March, we'll start an in-house basketball league. It's called the March Madness Basketball League. Welcome to Hawkins Hall here at the Olmsted Community Center. This room is available for rent. It's a fun place to be. We have pool table, ping pong, air hockey, foosball, a stage, free Wi-Fi. People rent this room for birthday parties, for baby showers, celebrations of life, wedding anniversaries, even for just meetings. There's a kitchen that's available for use as well. If you'd like more information, give us a call, 440-427-1599.
I'm standing outside the Olmsted Community Center, and all I can think about is the memories that I've had here with my family. So imagine this, 75 kids, cake, ice cream, magician, all of it. It was a blast. Also, basketball games, Saturday night activity night. I'm sure that you have similar memories with your family, and if you do, Jen and Donna and the rest of the staff would love to hear about them. Please go on their Facebook page and post the memories that you have with the Community Center for your family. They'd love to hear it.